Just from A grade, just around at Dumfries Street, doing this site inspection. So like I said in the previous video, this is the point that I've used for access, and the location point is marked in blue over here that the previous plumber has located. I've located it to that same spot, but one thing I do want to point out is that that pipe, as I stated in the video, is on a 66-degree angle down. Our cameras are designed to be located on the horizontal, so with it like that, our location point's still going to be out on that angle. So I'd be suspecting that even though we've both located it here, that it's actually angling in and directly underneath this retaining wall is the actual issue. But like I said, 4 meters straight down puts it about there. The biggest issue, obviously, as you can see, is going to be this retaining wall. I have rang and spoke with the property agent and stated that we need to, first of all, ring Urban Utilities, have a location for their infrastructure where they're willing to take ownership to, just to make sure that this isn't theirs, because a lot of the times Urban Utilities will claim the first inspection opening as their own property, and then after that inspection opening to be homeowners. So hopefully it is Urban Utilities and we don't need to go any further. On the off chance that it isn't Urban Utilities, if we can get Urban Utilities to locate the exact point of their infrastructure, once we've done that, we can then come to site with the owner and give a quote, because there's two main ways we can attack it. We can either, first of all, rip out this whole entire retaining wall, dig down and do a repair down there, which is obviously option one. Option two is if Urban Utilities is able to locate theirs even on the step down retaining wall or anywhere, we can then potentially give a price just to rerun this drain straight through this retaining wall, then drop back down in the dirt and go through and then drop down again. Or we, you know, depending where the location is, we can then just rerun the drain and do a new connection to council, which would be a lot cheaper than having to dig up underneath the retaining wall, obviously. But as I stated, the first option is to contact Urban Utilities, get them to check their infrastructure, ensure that that isn't a part of their infrastructure, and if it isn't, to then locate where their infrastructure actually is, for us to then have a conversation with the homeowner over the best way to go ahead with it. If you have any dramas or questions whatsoever and want to give me a ring to go talk about this more in depth, my phone number is 0455 226 333. Thank you.